Hey, attackers don dey attack again o. Unknown gunmen don come again. Hey God, I dey pray for the day I no go dey hear this unknown gunmen thing. That day I go church go give testimony o. Unknown gunmen attack Force Criminal Investigation Department (FCID) for Abia State, and at least 3 people don die. Hey! Death. Na the thing we just dey hear for this Nigeria. Me, I don give up, I don tire. And they say over 50 gunmen dey half naked. Some hang live cock for neck, while some carry, in fact most of them carry AK-47 rifle. Dey waka for streets. Na so shooting person dey hear. Dem attack security formation, come set am for on fire. They attack am, set am on fire. If una see these guys wey dey half naked dey waka for street, you go think say na dem get streets. You go think say na dem get the whole Nigeria. Then dey waka with confidence, with gun. Dey go see building, dem set am on serious fire o. If you dey even far distance, you go see the kind heavy smoke wey dey come from these buildings. In fact, before I go even explain further, make una watch this video.
Mind watching the video, yeah? Don't be on fire like this, so they don't say CID ablaze. They don't say CID ablaze. You don't dey stop like this, so you don't dey play, they play. Oh! Abia State CID, Abia State CID.
Abi una see as dem dey work like slaves from the past, wey dem give armor to dey waka for road. Which kind wahala be this? Abi una use una ear dey hear gunshot, pa. And people wey dey video, I don't know how dem get that mind still dey there. Dem no dey hear of stray bullets. Dem no dey hear that one. Una dey see dead body, both the one wey dey keke o, both the one wey dey. Una see the dead body. All these ones dey happen for Abia State. Na only Igbo State all these things dey happen. Wetin? Dead body for streets. Dem still dey burn. People dey waka, the gunmen dey waka. Dem say unknown faces dey. Dem no cover their face. Which one be unknown gunmen? Abi dem no dey, those people dey untraceable. Wetin? And dem talk say the military and police dey engage with the hoodlums when these bullets go kill people wey never know anything concerning the matter. All those dead body wey they see, those ones no follow for unknown gunmen. They no follow. Those ones too no follow for police or military. This one now, as fights they happen, bullets go kill these people. People still get mind, stand for that place, they make video. Now they talk say soldiers don't take over Umuahia, Abia State. No be only by soldiers taking over. Make them take over till the end. Make them take over till the very end, though. Because I know one here say soldiers don't take over, but this one see they happen. That one see they happen. I never hear say they find dead body of any unknown gunman. Now always dead body of innocent people with stray bullets key. This battle, this combat, then they get between the military and this unknown gunmen. I want to ask one question. God know they hit this unknown gunmen. The bullets know they target them. I've been a juju, then they use they shoot. Bullets know they touch them. Now only innocent citizens bullet they touch. Because this one calls for question, you know. I don't understand. And my own question be say, this unknown gunmen, waiting their mission be. Till today I stay here, they talk to una, I don't know waiting their mission be. I don't even know waiting they want. I beg government, if una know wetin these people want, make una give them everybody dey in peace. If a life is lost, it can be regained. But if na money these people want, una give them, at least it go save some life for this country. Wetin these people want, make una try give them. And the so-called president, in don go Ghana, they settle Mali issue, the Malians issue. In there they settle issue of Malians, leave in own country. For battle, for street war to dey happen for the country, innocent. In own na, I don't enter my private jet, I don't zoom off, they go. In concern, no even dey for Nigeria. He no even want know wetin dey happen for the country. And this thing na bad situation, e no good. Now you be the grand chairman of the whole country Nigeria. Then they mention one person wey dey cover the country na president. If president no dey do anything, how governors go dey do something for their state? If this president no dey show concern, how this Imo State governor go show? How Abia State go show? How all these other states where things dey happen go show concern? When the president dey leave the country, just dey comot like that. My people, I don tire for this kind death I dey hear for the country. My people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Because at this point, na here I go stop the tori for the day. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.